everyone and welcome to my channel. Today is one of my happiest days in my life. Thank God. What? I just thank God because this is a very special day to my life, and I feel the happiest. I am the happiest right now, and I thank God for that feeling. Okay, so before I continue, let me just appreciate each and every one of you who has supported my journey in YouTube. And I just thank you all. For the returning subscribers, feel most appreciated and loved. And in case it's your very first time to come across this channel, of course you can join the family so that at least you know what happens here. So today, as you can see, I'm holding a chicken, and nowadays I'm in love with chickens. From January this year, I have never tasted beef. I cook beef, I boil bone soup, I do everything. But there's a day I tried bone soup na sikulala. It was a hell to me. So now that beef imenikata, I opted to go for chicken yenye haijanisumbua the whole of this year. Nimekuwa tu nikikula kuku. And by the way, name kuku ni kama ilitoka kwa ile sauti kuku produce. Kuku. Oh my goodness, I just feel happy. I thank God for this milestone in life. And I don't take it for granted. It has not been smooth. It has nitawambieni tu tulieni. Aki niko so happy. Aki Mungu, thank you so much. Today is my happiest days in my life. It's a milestone which I will share sometimes not long from now. And I just want to show you what I am preparing for my hubby today, because he's such a special man. I just want to make him feel special. I have other plans. It's in a weekday, and the whole of this week I want to treat him so good. I want to be the best to him. I want to be okay. I don't want to be a person I am not, but I want Nikue the best, okay? Yeah, because he's also the best to me. He puts me first before him. That's what I love about that man. Before he thinks of himself, I am the first one in the picture. Then along the way, he starts thinking about himself. And I wish you can see the way the chicken is just staring at me na sura ya kazi. Yani it's like inataka kunichapa, but we have to continue. I feel he deserves hope. I feel he deserves everything good from me. He deserves every nice treatment. He deserves every good thing from God. And I just pray that God will bless us more and more. And hebu tuendeni tuchinje kuku. Si nimeongea sana. Sorry for the background noise. Someone is helping me to chop napier grass to feed the cows. And when the machine is on, sometimes it's too loud. Like, I'm just sorry. If you've been following my chicken videos, you know I don't eat the legs. And that's why I'm cutting them off. I know they are sweet. I used to eat them sometimes back when I was a baby. And I sweared to myself when I grow up, I will never eat chicken legs. Neither will I give them to any of my family members or my friends. Cause sikuwa nakula kwa kupenda. Like somebody just chose to be giving me chicken legs together with maybe a wing. Na si eti kuku haiku. For some reason somebody thought or felt that that's the piece that I deserved. Na sikuwa naitaka, but nilikuwa nakula juu utalalamika ukose hata kamguu ka kuku, yani hata hizo malatas. Alafu mtu anakuchocha, "Kai kula ni tamu, aki ni tamu, kula." Unasikia ikiwa tamu? Na mimi na utoto wangu tu nasema, ni tamu. God forbid. As you can see, I'm through with removing the feathers, and sorry for that. Anytime I slaughter a chicken, I must get those memories. But for me, I don't have hard feelings for that. I have grown. For now, I'm able to eat any part of the chicken that I want. I'm able to eat what I want, and I thank God. Something else I also want to do is to extract or remove the chicken breast. And in case you don't know what chicken breast is, si nyonyo za kuku. Ni steki ya kuku yenye haina mfupa. That's what we call chicken breast. And I want to use it in tomorrow's recipe, which I will do it very early in the morning. That is for my breakfast. So just stick around and stay tuned for the video that will go up around 10 a.m. East African time. So I will then wash my chicken and put it on fire so that at least it cooks without adding any water, because these chicken extract their own water once you place them on fire. On this other side, I will fry spring onions, which I'm in love with nowadays. Before I used to use them for garnishing my food, but nowadays I use them as the main onion. It's exactly after 1 hour, and this is the soup that I've extracted. I love chicken soup so much. So part of the soup I will drink it, and the other parts or the other share I will use to cook the chicken. So as you've seen, my onions have already cooked. I added ginger and garlic together with capsicum. Then I threw in the chicken that was pre-boiled. And I'll stir this and give them around 5 minutes so that all the spices get to incorporate together. So the only spice that I'm using for today is chili ama pilipili, chumvi. Then kama umeangalia vizuri, tumafuta nimekaanga na tumafuta tudogo kabisa. Juu chicken yangu ni so fatty. The other day I went to a restaurant and I ate chicken cooked with tomatoes, and that's why you've seen me add some tomatoes. And this what I have extracted as the chicken breast, which I'll keep aside. And for me, when it comes to chicken that I had prepared the previous day, I don't cook it again. Sijui kama usha realize ukikula kuku ilipikwa jana inakuwaga tamu hata bila kuwarm. For me, I love it kama ijawarmiwa na inakuwaga tamu kabisa. So for my tomatoes, zikishaiva nazimashia on one side, niongeze ile chicken broth yenye tuli extract. Then nizifunikie tu ziive pole pole tu kwa kamoto kadogo, ndio at least, yani ukipika kuku, sijejua kama kuku ikiwa na nyanya inakuwaga tamu hivyo. Nyanya zikiiva zipe time kama 5 minutes, hiyo supu yake ikauke kidogo. Then ukiweka hiyo supu ya kuku, punguza moto na ugojee kuku yako ive vizuri hadi hiyo supu ipungue, yani ifike ile stage we mwenye unataka. Look at this. Even the color has actually changed. And my food is ready, so I'll just wait for my hubby to come so that I serve him. And it's my hope he'll enjoy the chicken, though he's not a big fan of chicken like me. So let's wait. So we ate our chicken with some stew together with rice mixed with minji ama peas. And I'm telling you, the food was so yummy. If you've never tried chicken with tomatoes, give it a try and make sure the tomatoes are not many. 2 are enough depending on the size of your chicken. As I keep saying, you only know how sweet your food is when someone eats everything. And I felt so good. Like, I felt so good trying this new recipe. No one complained. Everybody was like, what? It was so yummy, yummy. And I loved everything. Before I end the video, let me take this chance to appreciate each and every one of you who has watched the video till the end. I know you guys have supported my channel genuinely, and I love you so much. And it's my hope that even for those who have clicked to my channel today, you'll join the family by subscribing, and we keep growing together. I've seen so many people texting me to subscribe to their channel. I do support everybody, by the way. I don't see the sense, like, YouTube is so wide, YouTube is worldwide. So you can't say you've subscribed to enough people. Keep subscribing to others. If someone has a channel, just show them support by subscribing to their channel. Like their videos, just comment to their channel and tell them how they can improve or what you love about their content. And that's the only way to support each other. So let me end the video here because I'm just excited up to this moment. And I thank God for this feeling. Bye for today.